her bag of tricks and bringing her friend, the Clockwork.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Here we go. It is broken down loose immediately.
The Clockwork Angel Catred and Nikki Adams bringing the fight to Faye and Willow.
She's feisty. Catred is a feisty one. Oh my God!
Willow getting lit up over there by Nikki Adams.
Oh, heads up collision course.
Meeting of the minds.
We are finally underway. Oh, press!
I love it. Lou Thesz would be proud.
Cat fight.
You know what? I'm going to say it.
Throwing it back old school there.
Oh, my favorite call from Jerry Lawler.
Hard slam down to the mat.
Only a 2 count there. I mean, 4 extremely beautiful women in this ring, but 4 extremely talented women in this ring. We talk about the women's revolution in women's wrestling, and it really continues on the independent scene with such talented women like the 4 we have in this ring.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Heads up. Oh, that's a oh boy.
Cover 1, 2.
If anything's gonna stop anybody, it's a backside like that. Okay. My goodness.
I love the very Silk Spectre Watchman-inspired attire by Faye Jackson here. And you gotta love, look at all the colors on Willow's side.
Holding on here. This is going to go for the trifecta here. 2 snap suplexes in a row. Here comes the 3rd attempt. Oh, muscled her over.
Channeling a little Eddie here. Little Latino heat in the ring.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, boy. Catred interjecting herself illegally. And heads up now. Oh!
Right to that knee that led to 7 months on the disabled list for Willow Nightingale.
Catred in full control here, taking advantage of the devious double team action we just saw.
And Willow had a hard time getting up. I mean, that chop block right to the back of the knee. Again, the knee that put Willow on the DL for 7 months.
Yeah.
I mean, again, I don't even have to have had a prior experience in the ring like you do, Dave. Even I know when an opponent has a body part that you can exploit, you go after it.
And not only that, you know, as for me, with experience of a really crappy knee injury, I tore my ACL, I was out for 10 months. You are very timid when you get back in that ring. You know, you're not getting back full speed, that's for sure. So no matter what, they've done their homework, they know where to attack, and they're doing it right here tonight.
Bronco Buster in the corner there.
She missed.
Missed the Enziguri there. A variation of a sleeper here. Oh, taunting Faye.
The crowd obviously firmly behind Willow here.
Again, this is the First Lady
She's got to make the tag.
and the Queen. And here's what's funny.
Heads up! There it is!
Oh, huge clothesline knocks Nikki down. And Catridge down.
Oh, a DDT out of nowhere! And a snap suplex, beautifully executed.
And Faye cleaning the ring.
She's having a good time. Here we go, boy! Oh my goodness! Oh, a whiplash of Nikki Adams' head.
Oh, Carla Willow in.
So much for that knee. Double cannonball into the corner.
Oh, Nikki.
Oh, baby. He's calling for a rope break. We thought we heard the sound of a 3 count.
And let me bring this up to you, Dave.
You have instant replay here?
Faye has never lost. She's undefeated in singles competition here. And Willow, prior to her injury, undefeated in singles
There's
competition
obviously
here.
a winning mentality behind that team right now. So let's see if they're able to... Oh, God.
Tagged by Catridge.
Was there a tag? I mean,
Tagged by Catridge. The referee saw it, but Willow didn't see it.
she didn't see the tag. What a blind tag maneuver here. Heads up! Oh, God.
Forearm strikes from these two ladies. Oh, Nikki!
Heads up!
Nikki going after Faye here.
That is smart. That is genius on the part of Nikki Adams. And now Nikki Adams going up top. Oh, my God!
Drop kick to a flat cover. 1, 2.
Oh, no, that's it. You got to be kidding me. Wow. There's been a robbery here in Queens.
My God. Nikki Adams and Catridge have just handed the team of Willow and Faye Lawson. Dave, I don't know so much about how the statistics go in this category, but does this count as Faye's first official loss?
By hook or by crook, in the stat book, it's an L, my friend. It is an L.
Faye and Willow for the first time have lost here in the BCW ring. Ah, these two ladies, the fan support.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute!
What the hell?
Oh, baby!
My God!
You said it best. You said it best. She is not lost in BCW yet, and she just did right there. And you know what? Now she's leaving feeling victorious.
My God! Faye Jackson has just turned on Willow Nightingale. What in the hell did we just see?
We saw a smart decision made. She cost her the match. You gotta do what you gotta do, Pete. But if I'm not mistaken, that's gonna set us up for a little bit of an angry rivalry, huh?
It looks like that way.